Illicit 8 Integrity Commission says 2 additional parliamentarians are being investigated for illicit enrichment.
House Speaker accused of meddling in PAAC affairs.
And later, JAS AGM goes ahead despite concerns. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, the Bank of Jamaica has suspended the operating licenses of a major remittance entity. Plus, gas prices are going up tomorrow. Those and much more in the business day.
No surprise there.
No, none at all. And speaking of surprises, I feel like I haven't seen him in a while. Jermaine Brown, surprise for me. Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
All right, thank you, Archie. Well, as you mentioned, surprises. Now, the Olympics, the Olympic Games come up at the month end, and Jamaica's track and field team for the Games not yet sorted out fully. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Surprise, surprise.
It's a surprise. That's what it is.
Any surprises with the weather, Romain?
None really. There are a couple of tropical waves in the Atlantic Basin, and we also have another tropical wave that is expected to be very near us near the weekend.
A couple of tropical waves and one that's also going to come. Wow. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and as you heard, there's the weather later on in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the contents of the Integrity Commission's annual report? I know lots of people have been saying lots, and I can't wait to hear the responses on our social media.
You can share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X as always, and also on Instagram at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.